Oakland police were fired that were known for terrorizing the community. Because, you know, and we have these study groups to back that up. Because we can't just, you know, talk about this stuff on the records and do stuff without having knowledge of what's going on. You know, you can talk about having game and everybody talks about having game and, you know, knowing what's going on in the street. But if you only know what's going on in the street and don't know why it got there in the first place, then you're gonna have limited game and not knowing what's going on behind your back. We gotta take it off the wax and into the street. We're in Oakland, but we're spreading out all over the place.
Okay. 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 I can Okay. I can download this track right quick, you feel what I'm saying? I can record this bitch in this motherfucker, you dig? But we could take this shit to the regular.
I get up there and I love.
No job.
I think they're great musicians, all the younger musicians that I'm hearing about, you know, and just seem like maybe I'm getting a little older. I don't know.